Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Joey in Illinois on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Joey, it's ready to go for you, bud. Our tune and alignment and the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, which we've explained many times in the video, is going to supply voltage to your finals in the radio section. It'll be more stable, it'll run cooler. This particular voltage regulator is rated twice the amperage and it has twice the footprint, therefore it's going to dissipate heat twice as quick. Let's just get right to it. Flip the amp on, start the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug is about 4 watts all the way down in case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 50 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 100 watts in the corner, so we're going to go the 250 watt slug in average. Hello. 115, 120 average as usual. Peak power, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, 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 250 watts. I'm going to roll it all the way down. Got 4 watts. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, hello, 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 hello. Still 250 watts. All right, Joey, it's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. And if you get a chance, leave us a 5-star review on the Google. It would much be appreciated. Bom, bom.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.